Hey, what's up, guys? Today we've got a Toyota Corolla in the shop, and if your fuel pump isn't working, this is the video you need to see. I'm going to show you exactly where to find the fuel pump relay, the fuse that powers it, and even a couple bonus tips that could save you hours of guesswork. So let's pop the hood and dive in. Alright, starting with the 2003 to 2008 Corolla, also known as the E130. First things first, right under the hood, we've got our main fuse box. Look for a 20 amp fuse labeled EFI. But here's the catch. Don't confuse this with the EFI. Number 2. This 20 amp FE fuse is the one that actually sends power to the fuel pump. Now let's talk relays. There's an FE relay sitting right here next to the fuse. This guy kicks in when you turn the key to on, and the computer tells it, hey, time to wake up the fuel pump. It passes power from that fuse straight to the fuel pump relay. Next up, 2008 to 2013, the E140 model. Go ahead to the engine bay, near the back right corner closest to the driver. So here are the fuses that you need to check. The main EFI fuse is this yellow 20 amp fuse right here. You can try to wiggle it out. Look inside and make sure the metal strip is intact. You can also check the 7.5 amp fuse and the 10 amp fuse because it is related to the fuel system. Pop it out and check it. Alright, in the 2014 to 2018 Corolla, you need to pop that hood and go to the driver's side fuse box right here under this cover. Just press in on this tab and lift the lid up. Now let's talk fuses. You've got two that matter. First, these two little 10 amp fuses. They're responsible for the multi-port fuel injection system. And this one right here, the 15 amp fuse, feeds the fuel injectors. See this little guy? That's your fuel relay. And here's a cool trick. Give this relay a few taps with a screwdriver handle. Sometimes they stick, and a little jolt gets them working again. Now for the new E210 Corolla from 2019 to 2024. First, check the underhood fuse box in this location. This is the engine fuse panel on the M20A FKS and 2ZR5 motors. So here are the relay that you need to check. There are two relays responsible for the main multi-port fuel injection system. This relay is the one that actually sends power to the fuel pump. Next, check these three little guys. They are 10 amp in red color related to the fuel injection system. Quick pro tip, don't just look at the fuse. Pull it out, check continuity, or swap with a known good one. And that's it. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment if you've got questions or tips for other Corolla owners. And don't forget to subscribe for more real-world car fix guides. Catch you in the next one.